Apple, a name synonymous with innovation, design, and technological excellence. But did you know this global giant started in a small garage in California? The story of Apple is one of vision, perseverance, and groundbreaking ideas. Let's dive in. In 1976, three friends, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, founded Apple in the garage of Jobs' family home. Wozniak was the engineering genius, while Jobs had a unique vision for marketing. Together, they created the Apple I, a computer sold as a kit for tech enthusiasts to assemble themselves. In 1977, Apple introduced the Apple II, the first highly successful personal computer. With its user-friendly interface and graphical capabilities, it became a hit among consumers. By 1980, Apple went public, achieving massive financial success. In 1985, after internal conflicts, Steve Jobs left Apple. During his absence, the company struggled, facing declining market share. However, in 1997, Jobs returned as CEO and led a dramatic turnaround, saving Apple from near bankruptcy. Under Jobs' leadership, Apple launched a series of revolutionary products that changed the tech world. The iMac, 1998, a sleek, all-in-one computer. The iPod, 2001, a portable music player that transformed how we listen to music. The iPhone, 2007, a smartphone that redefined mobile communication. The iPad, 2010, a tablet that revolutionized personal computing. Apple faced fierce competition from companies like Microsoft and Samsung, yet it continued to innovate, becoming the first company to reach a $1 trillion market value in 2018. Today, Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world, with iconic products like the iPhone, Mac, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Known for its elegant designs, innovative software like iOS and macOS, and commitment to privacy and sustainability, Apple remains a leader in technology. The story of Apple is one of vision, resilience, and innovation. From a small garage to a global empire, Apple reminds us that big ideas can start small. Its motto, "Think Different," reflects its rebellious spirit and focus on creativity. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. What's your favorite Apple product? Let us know in the comments below.